Hey, remember yesterday's video? I was trying to organize my business. I had papers everywhere. I needed some type of system to keep me structured because I'm everywhere in my personal life, my business, my job, whatever I'm doing. And I've written papers everywhere. I need a system and a program to keep me organized. Well, I found that, and that system's called Trello. I did a video yesterday talking about Trello in terms of the basic terms and basic feature it has, and it's free to sign up, and it's a good way of organizing your daily method of operation each and every single day and each and every single week. So basically I talked about that yesterday, and today we're going to talk about part 2 of using the calendar feature inside Trello, a way of organizing your online business or any business you have inside the computer system, and you can actually operate it through your mobile device. So that's really powerful and really strong. So by the way, my name is Adam Shelton, and welcome to the channel today. Welcome. Today's video, we're going to talk about that, the calendar feature using Trello. So if you haven't yet, hit that red subscribe button right below this video. Hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. That way you get notified when things happen, because I want you to be notified anytime I do a video, because I do videos every single day. Now you know what time it is, and it's time. Let's talk about the Trello program, organizing your life, organizing your business through a nice system. So yesterday's video, we talked about the basics of signing up. Today we're going to talk about the calendar feature. So let me go ahead and dive into the content. And right here, yesterday we talked about a Trello. Basically, let me go ahead and log out and log back in. Let me go ahead and start over and do it like a little bit recap. So basically, Trello is a way of organizing your online business, and as you see, you can go ahead and sign up and log in if you have an account already, and it's free to have an account. So it's very free to have an account. You can just click on sign up for an account just right here and follow the steps. It's your basic, your name, your email address, things like that. Think no different from any other program that you sign up online. So let me go ahead and log in because we already have an account. And Trello is something that I discovered not long ago because I was looking for something to organize my online business and my personal activities. So yesterday we built this here, the online business example. We went over that. This is what I operate currently, called the daily method operation, how I organize my online business. So let me go ahead and click on here. And what happens is you create boards. When you create a board, then you start creating checklists and cards to organize your business. So yesterday we went over this, and I did online marketing, and I put Facebook posting, Twitter posting, Instagram engagement. So you can put checklists. So I can add a checklist and say Pinterest. You're not going to add Pinterest, add that in there. So Pinterest is in there. So it's already being added into the operation. So let me go ahead, let me see, that's saved, and that's saved. So you can pretty much add a checklist of stuff that you need to do. And so I can click on Pinterest. I can say Pinterest posting by noon today. So I can do that. And I can go ahead and set a due date for it as well. I can set a due date for it. So I want it done by tomorrow. So I went ahead and set a due date for that as well. So it must be done tomorrow at noon. I can set that up. So this is all your online marketing. And here you can add members towards your team. If you got team members, friends, and family, you can add them in here. Labels is mainly just a color. Like a color can pretty much, you can organize your colors based on your activities. Checklist is something you kind of just add. So if you have online marketing, you can put all your social media marketing strategies in there. You can put Facebook and Pinterest, Twitter, and put information within that. You can set a due date, and you can attach any information that goes along with it as well. And these are your basic actions. You can move actions, you can copy it, and you can make a template as well. But here today, we're going to go over the calendar feature over that. So basically, the calendar feature, you want to add it as a power up. So I've already added it as a power up. So you'll click on power up, and then just select calendar. Select calendar. That's what you would do. And then click on the calendar. It will appear at the top here. And as you see here, you can do about a monthly or week, right? So you can do month. So pretty much you can organize your stuff by a month or week. I like the week term because I can just pay attention to exactly what's happening now. So let me go to what's tomorrow. So I just scheduled this for tomorrow. So on the week, you can go ahead, and this is all my activities. I can click on there, and there's all my information in there. I got Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and I can add information in there. I can add members in there. I can add a due date in there as well. So a checklist, actually it's a checklist as well. But then what I like the calendar feature is, let me make this a little bigger. I can click on there and I can add another card. So I can add another card, and then I can select, let's say, email marketing. I can say story-based email marketing email today. And I can set up the time I want it done by. So I want this done by, let's say I want it done by 5 p.m. today. So it's gonna be my PM email. So I can set that up, and there you go. Let's check this out. It has the date, which is due by tomorrow, and it has the story-based email marketing, and it's done all on Monday. So this is all set up for Monday. So, yep, all set up for Monday. And I can add another card. Let me add another card, and let me select video marketing, video about Trello. Check this out. About Trello features by 3 p.m. I don't even have to put a time because I actually could put it in here. Trello features. I can just do that. Video marketing, and I could just say on YouTube. I can be more specific. And you can also change your listing as well. It's very easy to do that as well. So you can add that and check it out. Video marketing, video about Trello features on YouTube. I can misspell YouTube. Let me go back. And then when you click on there, it shows up on here. It's due by tomorrow. I can add a description. YouTube video. And how do you select this? You just click here and you can actually edit that. I like this feature, the weekly, because I can add things in and I can edit right on the fly as well. So in this, you can use your checklist, or you can just use cards as well. So you don't have to use checklists. You can use the checklist to kind of really break it down exactly what you're talking about. Or you can just basically just have information in here. So YouTube video about Trello, basic features, and calendar elements. So you can set that up, save it. Now I can add a checklist and say I can add something underneath it. I can just say YouTube if I wanted to, or you don't have to at all. Checklist is just another feature of just organizing all your stuff together. That's all that really means. I can say YouTube, then I can click on there and say, okay, I'm all done with it. I already did it. I can delete the term just like that. I can add more information in terms of my description. And when I do that, all I do is just click out of it and it's there. So let's check it out. Video about Trello features on YouTube, video marketing. It's due December 9th. And when you're done with something, let me go ahead. When you're done with, let's say I've done the video already, you can actually click this box and it'll actually say complete. And when you say complete, it will go ahead and mark itself saying you have already done this activity. So I like the weekly feature in terms of Trello because it keeps you organized and it keeps you exactly what's going on. It really depends on if you're more of a visual calendar type view person like myself. You're really gonna like this very, very much. Or you can do the monthly as well. It's basically, if you have so many activities in here, it only shows so many on here, but all you have to do is just click on there as well, and all of it will just appear just like it did there. So I like the Trello feature in the calendar view. Just want to do very, very basic with you. And if you want to do Tuesday, you just click on there, you add a card, and you just go and you have your listing here, all that, and you can just select what listing you want. Or let me check this out. You can go click on the calendar and go back to your regular feature here, add another list. Let's say you want to do, let's see, social, let's say coaching, right? So coaching here, So I've added that card. You can actually add another card information underneath it. A card is basically the description that talks about your main list. Or you can go to your calendar here, click on Tuesday, add card, find your list that you just created, coaching. And then you can say coaching meeting about Facebook, right? Boom, just like that. And it's already there. And then when you click off here, it shows it right here. So it's both ways, here or here. It really depends on which one you really prefer, sir. You prefer as well. So that's how you go ahead and do it. Trello, using the calendar features. Right below this video, I do have a way for you can go ahead and sign up for Trello for free. So you can go ahead and sign up for your basically charge there. And it's not charged. You can sign up for free, but they do have upgrades that you can go ahead and take Trello to a completely different level. But you can just stay on the free version and use all the free version elements that this system and this program have to get you organized. So click on the link below to go ahead and sign up for your free Trello account and go ahead and enjoy this because it will organize. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you tomorrow on the next video of getting you organized and making sure you have results in your business. I'll see you next time.